Hello, this is a test just to see how much the world famous Stephenson's rocket can pull. Well, let's just see. Oh, nothing is happening. That's because this is actually a static model of the Stephenson's rocket. Let's get a working model of the rocket. There we go. Now, if you want to see a review of the rocket or the L&MR flatbed wagons or the L&MR third class open carriages, then I'll put a link either above or below. As we've just seen, it can either push or pull, even with its own tender, one flatbed wagon, one third class carriage and one first class carriage. Now let's see what else it can pull. So I've got a total of 3 first class carriages, got 3 of the flatbed wagons and 3 of the third class carriages. Let's see if it can pull all of that, but let's see, do it in stages. Now I've got 2 first class, 1 third class and 1 flat wagon. Seems to be okay to push that and okay to pull that. Now this is very tricky to put these on, the couplings I mean. I think I may have worked out how to do it in a good way. I worked out how to do it in a good way. First of all, I know it's a bit fiddly, but put it on here, on this one here. Basically what you do, you work your way backwards. You start from the rocket and then you go, like, I've already done all this lot on here. And then you just very carefully, there we go. It's just a matter of getting the hang of it and the practice of it. Okay, so now we've got all 3 first class, got 1 third class and 1 flatbed wagon, and plus the tender itself. So let's see what that does. And hopefully we can do all of it. Well, that's backwards. That's forwards. So let's do another flatbed wagon. Now we've got the rocket, its tender, 1 flat wagon, 1 third class, 3 first class and another flatbed wagon. Let's see what that does. Let's go back to the rocket to see if we may get a wheel slip. I've got a bit of a wheel slip there. Seems to be okay. Let's try something else. I know that these aren't in any particular order, but it doesn't really matter. Now we've got 2 third class wagons, 2 flatbed wagons, 3 first class wagons, and the rocket and tender itself. Let's see how this goes. Bit of a wheel slip there. Seems to be better at pushing than rather than pulling. Now we've got all 3 flatbed wagons, got 2 of the third class carriages, all 3 of the first class carriage, and there's 2 of the third class carriage. That one at the end, that one's not quite connected yet. So basically it's all the rolling stock I've got for the rocket, apart from, as I said, that third class carriage. So let's see. I reckon this would do a bit of a wheel spin. There you go, a bit of a wheel spin, but it's still pulling them. No wheel spin there. Now this is the rocket at full length. 3 flatbed wagons, 3 third class and 3 first class, in no particular order. There you go. All connected, so that looks quite heavy. So let's see, we might even get a bit of a wheel spin. That's as far in as close I can get. Oh, wheel spin, wheel spin. Wheel spin all the way. No wheel spin pushing it, and it does a wheel spin when it pulls it. Now I am using this new Hornby basic controller, and that was set on low. Now I'm going to set it on to high. Don't know if that makes any difference. Still a bit of a wheel spin. Don't really want to crash it because then the couplings come undone and it's really fiddly to put them back on. I have one more idea. As you can see, I've added my GoPro. Now GoPro is quite heavy, so this may not work. So first of all, I'm going to turn my GoPro on. And now it's now recording. Perhaps too heavy. Oh, it's doing it. Momentum. Kind of done it. Let's see for the journey back. I've turned the GoPro towards us now. See, it does better for pushing and pulling. One more time. Kind of does it. Rocket is better be pushing rather than pulling. Now we know how well it can push and pull and how much it can pull and push. So thanks for watching. I hope you like my little experiment. Please don't pass by without liking and subscribing. Take care and stay well. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.